Greetings, everyone, and welcome to my kind of new revamped Blue World AV. I've gotten back to doing what I love, which is writing music and doing videos and just geeking out creatively. I spent the last 4 years, as many of you know, kind of beating my head against the wall, trying to make a difference with politics. And the last position I was in, I was the head of communications for the Hays County Democrats, and I'm very proud to have worked with some amazing people, and we flipped every seat in Hays County, first time in history, and I'm very, very proud of that. But in the process, it kind of made me just this very angry human being that I didn't like very much, not to mention all my friends didn't like. Anyway, I'm going to put that away for a while. So I started getting back into music, joining this thing that I've been wanting to do for many years. It's been around for like 20 years. It's called THOM, which is an acronym for February Album Writers Month. And all these songwriters from around the world get together. And there's this platform online, and we post songs, and they do stuff like they give you these skirmishes or challenges. And they say you have 1 hour to write a song about toenails, or, okay, not toenails, but and they do these little things to kind of get you writing. And this kind of woke me back up to my love of writing music. So you're supposed to write 14 songs in a month, and I wrote 24. And I met some amazing collaborators. And the first song I'm going to do is a collaborator I met named Susan Heslin. And that's going to be the first song I'm going to show you guys. So basically what I'm going to do is just use these different cameras from around the room and capture the process of writing and creating the song, and I'll just show you. I hope somebody likes it. If somebody doesn't, I do have a built-in audience. So, if somebody doesn't like it, I can make it sound like you do. Anyway, this is basically the studio. I do my lyrics over here. I do all the music and editing over here. On that screen over there, I do, kind of the mixing and stuff. And then all around the room, I have put these cameras. So I've got a camera here, a camera back of the room. I've got a camera up here. This one's not on. That's not on. I think this one is on. But I mean, I can go through and, pretty much do anything. So I'm going to start with this first song that I co-wrote with Susan Heslin. It's called Better Than This. And it actually is about my experience. I kind of personified my experience doing politics. So here's my first piece, and I hope somebody likes it. Anyway, it's good to be back, and I hope you guys enjoy this.
It only hurts when I breathe the air in your vicinity. Enough is enough. It's time to give up and escape. This path is covered in thorns. I'm not going this way anymore. You probably won't notice I'm gone anyway. Goodbye insanity, hello my bliss. Constant calamity, I will not miss. Your word was worth nothing, but you act like it is. I deserve better than this. Since the first moment I left, I feel so much more like myself. I'm floating in space without you weighing me down. Goodbye insanity, hello my bliss. Constant calamity, I will not miss. Your word was worth nothing, but you act like it is. I deserve better than this. Breathe in, breathe out. Let anyone else but myself. No matter how hard that I try, there is no waking you, so I am saying goodbye insanity, hello my bliss. Your constant calamity I will not miss. I'm gonna rejoin humanity and forget you exist, because I deserve better than this.